Dashboards are designed to present as much information as possible in a simple and readable manner. In a well-prepared visualization of this type, a quick glance is enough to understand all the included information. Such are the dashboards available in PS IMAGO Pro. In this presentation, we will look at a visualization called the matrix dashboard. In the sales data dataset, we have information about the total sales of various product types. In addition to sales values and product types, the dataset includes variables representing the planned sales values and variables good and bad, which indicate acceptable and unacceptable levels of plan fulfillment. Additionally, there is a variable indicating the stock levels of individual products in different regions. The prepared visualizations will show the actual sales value and the planned sales for the current reporting period for each product type, divided by the sales regions defined by the company. Let's get started by selecting Dashboard from the Predictive Solutions menu, then Matrix. In the newly opened window, insert the variable region into the column variable field, the variable product type into the row variable field, the variable sales into the actual values field, and the variable planned sales value into the target value field. Finally, optionally, we can also include additional information, such as marker size or threshold variables. The percentage below field is the value below which we consider the plan fulfillment unacceptable, so we will move the variable bad into this field. The acceptable plan fulfillment level, recorded in the variable good, should be moved to the percentage above field. Leave the marker size field, where we can place a variable corresponding to scaling points in the table, empty for now. On the left side, we can choose one of two chart types, lights or arrows. Let's leave the default chart type for now. Next, let's go to the Properties section to modify the dashboard display settings. The first available option allows you to select the type of markers displayed on the chart. You can choose a circle, a square, or a star. Below, you can indicate whether column headers should be under or over the columns. The last two options allow you to add grid lines and display a legend on the chart. Select the star marker type, check the legend display option, leave the other options unchanged, and click OK. Under the Titles button, we have the option to add a user-defined title to the chart and its description. I will skip this window and click the Styles button. In this window, we can choose one of the available color styles for the chart, specify the exact chart size, and add a user template. From the available styles, select Lights and click OK. Finally, click OK and go to the Output window. Let's look at the generated matrix dashboard. The product types are listed in the rows, and the region names are listed at the bottom in the columns. At the intersection of rows and columns, information about the actual versus planned values is presented in the form of a star. The lights style coloring helps us interpret the chart. A green star indicates a satisfactory value, above the good threshold, while a red color indicates that the product in a given region is below the bad threshold. Values between the good and bad thresholds are colored yellow. Additionally, a legend is presented next to the chart. Let's return to the Procedure window and this time select arrows as the chart type, and also add the variable stock status to the marker size field. Then, go to Properties and check the Grid Display option. Click OK and OK. The chart is now in arrow mode, and as you can see, the data presentation method is different. Additionally, we added grid lines, which increases the chart's readability. The point size now indicates the stock level for individual products in the regions. The smaller the point, the smaller the quantity of products in stock in the selected region. In this way, using one simple chart, we obtained comprehensive, exhaustive information about the sales of individual product types in the regions. Using such dashboards is an excellent way to monitor the current situation and summarize entire periods, such as a year or quarter. Visualizations from the Dashboards tab will undoubtedly introduce a new quality to the prepared reports. Their readability, simplicity of presentation, high information content, and ease of interpretation will streamline the decision-making process and facilitate a quicker and easier assessment of the current situation.